Hope everyone are enjoying video classes. Shall we go to the topic? Yes, what is our topic? Yes, it is life in high mountains. In the last class, we have discussed about the ranges of mountains. These ranges are divided into three ranges. Those are Western Himalayan Range, Eastern Himalayan Range, and Northeastern Himalayan Range. In the last class, the states which are comes under Western Himalayan Range and Eastern Himalayan Range, people's lifestyle we have learnt. Today we are going to learn about the lifestyle of the people, the states which comes under Northeastern Himalayan Range. And the 7 states which comes under Northeastern Himalayan Range are also known as 7 sisters. Shall we? Yes, the third range of Himalayas is the Northeastern Himalayan Range. The 7 states of the Northeastern Hilly region are known as the 7 sisters. They are Arunachal Pradesh. Capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Assam, Dispur, Meghalaya, Shillong, Nagaland, Kohima, Manipur, Impal, Mizoram, Aizawl, Tripura, Agartala. These are the 7 states which comes under the Northeastern Himalayan Range and also known as the 7 sisters. So what is the state, first state in 7 sisters? Arunachal Pradesh. And the capital of Arunachal Pradesh is Itanagar. Shall we see the lifestyle of the people in Arunachal Pradesh? Yes. Arunachal Pradesh is drained by Brahmaputra and its tributaries. So the river Brahmaputra is flowing through the Arunachal Pradesh. You can have a look into the map here. The red line is displaying the river Brahmaputra, how it is entering into the Arunachal Pradesh state and flowing through the state. So here the river Brahmaputra and its tributaries are draining the place Arunachal Pradesh. Farming, weaving, fishing and rearing animals are the main occupations of the people who are living in the Arunachal Pradesh. So Arunachal Pradesh is drained by Brahmaputra and its tributaries. Farming, weaving, fishing and rearing animals are the main occupations of the people who are living in Arunachal Pradesh. So what is the next state in 7 sisters? Assam. Capital of Assam is Dispur. Assam is the largest of the 7 sisters, famous for its tea gardens. So Assam is the largest state in these 7 sister states and famous for its tea gardens. Farming, cane weaving are the main occupations. So farming and cane weaving are the main occupations of the people who are living in Assam. Bihu and waking dance are famous dances of this region. So you can see in the picture the dance form of Bihu. So Bihu and waking dance are the famous dances of Assam region. Assam is the home for one-horned rhinoceros. You can see in the picture one-horned rhinoceros. So we can see the one-horned rhinoceros in the Assam state. So because of that, Assam is known as home for the one-horned rhinoceros. Assam is the largest state of the 7 sisters and famous for its tea gardens. Farming, cane weaving are the main occupations of the people of Assam. Bihu and waking dance are the famous dances of this region. Assam is home for one-horned rhinoceros. And what is the next state comes under Northeastern Himalayan Range? That is Meghalaya. The capital of Meghalaya is Shillong. Meghalaya is beautiful with its hills, lakes and waterfalls. It is described as Scotland of the East. As we discussed in the last class that because of the beautiness, the Kashmir is known as the heaven on earth. right? Similarly, in the same way, because of its hills, lakes, and waterfalls, the Meghalaya place is known as Scotland of the East. Masinram in Meghalaya receives heaviest rainfall in the world. So, a place known as Masinram in Meghalaya receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. What is the place that receives the heaviest rainfall in the world? Masinram in Meghalaya. The Garo and the Khasi are the main tribes living here. So, you can have a look into the picture that the tribes who are living in the Meghalaya, these were called as Garo and Khasi. Farming, hunting, weaving, making handicrafts are their occupations. So the people who are living in Meghalaya, main occupations are farming, hunting, weaving, making handicrafts. So because of its hills, lakes and waterfalls, Meghalaya described as Scotland of the East. And Masingram in Meghalaya receives the heaviest rainfall in the world. And what is the next state of Seven Sisters? That is Nagaland. And the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. So the Nagas are very brave people. There are 16 different tribes in Nagaland. So these people, the people who are living in Nagaland are called as Nagas. They are very brave people. We can see 16 different types in Nagaland. So farming, weaving, hunting, making articles out of bamboo, cane and wood, etc. are their occupations. So what are the occupations of the people of Nagaland? Farming, weaving, hunting, making articles out of bamboo, cane and wood, etc. are the main occupations of the people who are living in Nagaland. We can see 16 different types of people in Nagaland. Each tribe have their own tradition and culture. So the people who are living in Nagaland are called as Nagas. And the next state comes under Northeastern Himalayan ranges, Manipur. The capital of Manipur is Imphal. Yes. Manipur is a tiny state with hills and lakes called as jeweled land. So, in the we have just now we have discussed about the Meghalaya, known as the Scotland of the East. Similarly, in the same way, because of it is a small state, tiny means small state with hills and lakes, so that it is called as the jeweled land. Manipuri dance is famous all over the world. You can have a look into the picture that showing the Manipuri dance. It is famous all over the world. Manipuri polo is their favorite sport. So the people who are living in Manipur, their favorite sport is Manipuri polo. So capital of Manipur is Imphal, and it is also known as jeweled land. So what is the famous dance form in Manipur? That is Manipuri dance. And favorite sport of Manipuri people? Manipuri polo. And the next state in Northeastern Himalayan range is Mizoram. And the capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Most of the Mizos are educated. So the people who are living in Mizoram were educated. Mizoram has the second highest literacy rate in India. So what do you mean by literacy here? Literacy means the people who are able to read and write. Okay. So in Mizoram state we have number of people who can read and write. So it is taking the second place in India in literacy rate. Farming is the main occupation here. So main occupation of the people who are living in Mizoram is farming. Mizo girls dance on crisscross of bamboo poles known as chira. You can have a look into the picture that the traditional dress of the Mizoram people as well as the girls who are dancing on the bamboo sticks. The dance form is known as chira. So the famous dance form of the Mizoram is chira, and it is taking the second highest literacy rate in India. And farming is the main occupation of the people who are living in Mizoram. So capital of Mizoram is Aizawl. Can you tell the next state in Seven Sisters? Yes, it is Tripura. And the capital of Tripura is Agartala. Tripura has valleys and hills covered with thick forest. So here the Tripura place has been covered by valleys and hills, covered with thick forests. Sal is the most well-known tree of these forests. So you can have a look here, children. We have the sal trees picture. So these trees are the very well-known trees which can be found in the forests of the Tripura. They make the walls of bamboo mats that are plastered with mud and cement. You can have a look into the picture that first they will build a mat with bamboo sticks. After that, the bamboo sticks are plastered with mud or cement. So the people will live into the houses of that houses made with bamboo mats, and those bamboo mats are plastered with mud and cement. So what are the most famous trees you can find in the forest of Tripura? Is that sal trees. What are the trees that you can find in the Tripura forest? Sal trees. And the how they will make the walls with the bamboo mats? Those are plastered with mud and cement. So we have discussed about the mountain ranges. Northern mountains, those are covered by the highest mountains in the world. Those are Himalayan ranges, covered by snow throughout the year. These ranges were divided into 3 ranges again. Those are the Western Himalayan range, the Eastern Himalayan range, and the Northeastern Himalayan range. In the Western Himalayan range, the states which comes under Western Himalayan range are Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand. And the places which comes under Eastern Himalayan range are Sikkim and Darjeeling. And the states which comes under Northeastern Himalayan range are Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura. These 7 states are also known as 7 sisters. So in this class we have completely learnt about the lifestyle of the people who are living in the mountains. So hope understand everyone. Thank you, children. In the next class, we are going to learn a new topic.